Fuck, we got a rookie puller here, ladies and gentlemen. First night out. Wow. What are them? What's this? What's the truck? Let the people know here.
Dodge Ram.
What's the class?
Stock.
Stock.
They inspected me for stock, and I passed with flying colors.
He's the only puller who showed up without a hitch.
Yep.
And he got a hitch.
Not a single mod done.
Wow, look at him.
Yeah, we're gonna go corn the rows out there, harvest the crops.
It was 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We're getting the chain tightened up here. This should be Harrison White. This guy's from Burlington, which is still, I believe, in Halton County, which is part of the rules here. So he's got a truck he calls the dump run.
Yeah!
There we got him right there, 194.78. 194.78. That truck is probably 1993 or older Dodge. That's the last body style changed and done after 93 for the Dodge truck. So that'll be the early 6-cylinder Cummins in that truck. Joey.
They want to weigh him up. Look at him. Go. I got a pen if you want his autograph. Wow. Fuck. Look at that Ford. Wow. What's going on, squirrels and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Keeping your sticks on the ice, I hope. Been a little while since we frickin' last encountered each other here on the YouTubes. But we're keeping her moving. Been going from Southern Ontario to Northern Ontario, driving the truck. Lots of driving. Let's get her going. So you probably noticed that in the background. Major shout out. Major shout out to Luc Frambois. Hopefully my pronunciation is good, buddy. Frickin' old Luke Raspberry, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. Lucas Frambois. Frickin' rights, dude. What a beauty. This guy hand carved the antler. And he was just an all-around beauty. So I know you're going to see this. So shout-outs to you, buddy. We have got here a clutch, flex plate, lots of good stuff here. And we got new throw-out bearing. We got the pedals. We're going to clean those up right now. We're just going to wire brush them and then we're going to paint them black. And We got the transmission here, 5-speed transmission. She's all been cleaned up, painted. We were just working on cleaning up the transfer case. We're gonna paint that next. We've got the manual column for the swap. We've also got the manual gear, whatever, odometer cluster. Sorry, I can't even speak there. It's got the, there's no PRND frickin' thing there. The old clutch. And yeah, we're just keeping her moving, you know. Quick update. Super quick update, ladies and gentlemen. I know I hadn't given you one in a little while. So there you go. Just gonna keep her moving here. Sticks on the ice. Alrighty, so carrying on here, we got the transfer case. We got her all cleaned up and painted up. On the one side, at least, we got to flip her over and paint the back side. We'll do that tomorrow when she's dried, but yeah, we're making ways here.
I want to see it run. I think we can feed it with this. We go straight down the fucking hole.
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
I know what I gotta do to get it.
I know what I got, man.
I smell the shitty.
Dinky Bill.
I know it'll fire because I got spark. I just know that the fuel is shit. There's no fuel up there because it's ejected.
I know, but still, it'll spray back and be fine.
I'll give her some fucking throttle.
Yeah.
You can squirt your brake cleaner in there.
Is it brake cleaner? Oh, that ain't gonna work as good as fucking the other shit.
It works though. No, I thought the same, and it fucking.
Ready?
Hit it.
Hit the gas pedal, see what happens. Oh.
Choked out.
Just like a little, just rev it. Nothing.
Anyway, she's a runner.
Told you, bro. Team
Fucking right, he did.
Team Polaire, or no, Team Dodge. Dodge or no.
Team Polaire.
Mopar, no car. Do the humpy dance. I got 240.
It's funny.
Oh yeah, she was running sweet. See, that was running on its own gas. I only gave it a couple burps once in a while to freshen it up.
Gas is no good.
Still, if that thing's running 17-year-old gas, that's like fucking amazing.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Yeah. '61 Dodge. Wow, look at the grill. That's fixable, for sure. Oh.
I think that green one is bad too. Fuck them thorn fucking trees.
Whoa.
Pretty sure it's Dodge or International.
Yeah, I think that's an International, buddy. Look at that turn signal.
Have a look in there. There might be something on there.
International. Oh. That's right. Yep. Wow. Jesus. And this is the hood for it. Oh no. That's a Chevy hood. The Niagara Public Works Department. Wow. Yeah. Oh, it's a 3-speed. Wow.
I need that.
Wow, that's a cool door, man. It's cool that it says Waterloo fucking.
You see the chassis? It's not bad, but it's got rust spots.
Bro. Damien.
Oh yeah, you win.
Nice. According to that gauge, we're just about, that gauge might be shit. Yeah, we're charging. Fucking stinks. Yeah, smooth, man. Smooth running. Look at that. The water's not even shaking.
I think the tensioner is fucked because the belt's pretty loose. But I'll figure that out.
Put your finger like Lenny.
What's all these fucking like stalagmites and stalactites rolling off? Like alien, man. It's like alien life
Trying to
form.
combine rust and
Yeah, like I
galvanization.
think they zoomed in and took a picture of this and tried to lead at NASA and led people to believe it was the surface of fucking Mars. Go ahead, take your phone, zoom in. Looks like the moon. Like zoom right in. It's like, oh yeah, it's like one of those like pictures of like, yeah, pictures from the Mars rover.